Hi, my name is Tim, and I had the incredible opportunity to spend 2 months in Bologna, Italy, throughout the Erasmus program. I'm currently studying web applications development, and during this time in Italy, I was fortunate to work at a company called VideoSound SRL. VideoSound SRL specializes in renting and selling audiovisuals and lighting equipment for events and meeting rooms. My role was to update their rental website, making it easier for customers to find what they need. But I didn't stop there. I also built a brand new, modern, and informative website for the company. This project challenged me to apply what I've learned in web development and expand my skills in a real world environment. It wasn't just about programming, it was about collaboration, problem solving, and meeting clients' expectations. Outside of work, living in Italy has been a life changing experience. I've explored beautiful cities with new friends, tasted amazing Italian food, and met people from all over the world. These 2 months have helped me grow personally and professionally in ways I couldn't have imagined. Being part of this Erasmus journey has shown me how enriching it is to connect with people from different cultures, and it has truly broadened my perspective on life and work. I'm grateful for this opportunity and I encourage everyone to take part in experiences like this. Thank you, Erasmus, for an unforgettable adventure.